Ready to discover a surprising yet effortless trick that can elevate any bedroom to a luxury oasis. One of the most eye-catching updates involves choosing a statement headboard that merges comfort with a dramatic, modern flair. This single piece sets the tone and injects a chic focal point into your sleep sanctuary. From plush velvet to intricate tufting, a bold headboard breathes new life into your room, delivering an unforgettable first impression that invites relaxation and style in equal measure. In today's design world, modern luxury often blends minimalism with warm, welcoming touches. A popular color palette features subtle neutrals enhanced by metallic accents. Think soothing whites, creamy beiges, and soft grays illuminated by touches of gold or silver. This refined palette offers a versatile backdrop for creativity while keeping the space visually calm. Adding metallic lamps or sleek picture frames encourages a subtle shimmer, reflecting light to make the bedroom feel airy without overwhelming the overall design. Seasonal trends are a fantastic way to keep your bedroom feeling fresh year-round. In colder months, incorporate plush textures like faux fur throws or chunky knit blankets to evoke warmth. Come spring, swap them out for lightweight linens and breezy cottons in pastel tones. For summer, add lively elements like tropical-inspired pillows or vibrant bedside accents. Adapting fabrics and decorative details to each season ensures your modern bedroom always feels rejuvenated, without requiring an entire design overhaul. Selecting the right furniture goes beyond style. Each piece should fit your space and serve a clear purpose. In smaller rooms, opt for storage-savvy pieces such as bed frames with built-in drawers or sleek nightstands with extra shelving. Large bedrooms can accommodate more substantial furniture like a tufted bench or statement lounge chair. Prioritizing function keeps clutter at bay, allowing luxurious details and design accents to shine. This thoughtful approach strikes a harmonious balance between comfort and visual impact. Color balancing is a game-changer in bedroom design. When integrating bolder shades like navy or emerald, pair them with lighter neutral tones to maintain an upscale ambience. For a monochromatic palette, use variations of one color in different shades and textures to create depth. Accent pillows, rugs, and curtains help layer these hues seamlessly. A carefully orchestrated color scheme not only reflects personal taste, but also creates a cohesive look that feels both dynamic and sophisticated.